So we are going to look at the difference between a Royal Q and a uTrading. Royal Q versus uTrading, and one will want to know which is the best robot to trade with. And before we continue, of course, as we look at these two robots, they have become so popular, and most of the people are asking very many questions about these robots. But even before we continue to that, let me first give you the similarities. The reason I'm giving you the similarities is because I just want to remove to stop the mere says out there, others telling about this other robot, the others telling about the other robot. These are the similarities, and I think the similarities will actually give you a very good start on which robot you want to choose if you want to dive into these cryptocurrencies. The first thing I would tell you that these robots are both legitimate, so you don't need to doubt if you're using any robot. What makes them maybe not legit is that it depends with either your settings, one, two, the person introduced you to the particular robot, and lastly, I'll tell you that it is actually how you approach the robot or how you control your funds. And then another thing is that realize that all these robots don't have access to your funds. They are really pretty good in a way that they don't have access to your funds. So there is no any chance of you losing your money or getting scammed by these robots. If somebody told you that either one of them is a scam, then that particular person could probably be a scammer, him or herself. So I just want to assure you that. Then another thing, realize that these robots trade the same codes. We are trading cryptocurrencies, and they are actually the same. What makes maybe one coin perform better than the other, either in the same robot or in these two different robots, is actually the type of the coin of chosen and market trend. But we all trade the same coin, so nobody should always come and tell you maybe join here, join there, the other is the best, this other one is like this. No, we all trade the same coins. So, and another thing I would say that they both support multiple exchanges. Trading from Binance will be using them. So if they both support multiple exchanges, I think it is good to maybe consider these robots as usually. And then lastly, I will talk about uGas. They both use fuel to work, because if you don't have uGas in any of these robots, then you won't be able to trade. Those are the similarities I have for now. There are very many similarities that I would give, but the reason you're here is that you want to know which robot you should go with. And so for that case, I think we should go to the differences between these robots. What are the differences between Royal Q and uTrading? There are very many different parts. I would say that with Royal Q there is no loss. If you ask me why do you say that in Royal Q there is no loss, it's because of course they are trading with spot only, so we only keep buying. But then most of the people lose money in Royal Q. Why do you lose money from Royal Q? It's just because you are either greedy or you want quick money. But if you understand cryptocurrencies, then I will say that in Royal Q there is completely no loss. Why you always lose money? It's because of you are applying for the way you approach the robot, or maybe you are not experienced in cryptocurrencies. So if you're not experienced in cryptocurrencies and you want to learn more, please keep checking the link in the description that will direct you to a short course on how you can know more about cryptocurrencies, because we are determined to teach you cryptocurrencies. And then when we talk about losses in uTrading, it depends on how you approach. Why did I say so? It's because uTrading is supposed to feature that spot where you don't lose money, and then features where you can lose money if you are not experienced and if you come in with greed. Greed is not an insult in the crypto and forex, so don't take that one very serious. All you're supposed to come with is a discipline. But then we have all this for the calls. We have good leaders in case you want to join. There's no loss in any robot. Losing money in all these robots is actually a choice. But of course, when it comes to this case, I'll give Royal Q a credit. I want to give you honest reviews. And then when we talk about the next step, you find that Royal Q is purely semi-automated robot. It is not fully automated. That means you have to do a few settings before you set up your trade. And they have also the manufacturer. The semi-automated is actually what you guys in Royal Q call the martingale strategy. It's more of pasting, copying and pasting the trader experts already. And then manual trading is actually setting up your own trades. Then in uTrading, you find that they have a fully automated settings. That means if you are new, then you will have to go for automated trading. Automated trading means that it is fully automated. You don't need to do any settings. You're supposed to get your money and then buy the capital, and then you start trading, and you allow the robot to do everything for you. And then they have what we call a semi-automated trading. Semi-automated, the robot helps you to make big signals for you, and then you choose to buy or sell, but the robot will have given you the signals and a few settings that you can change. And then it has the third option, which I like best, which is of course manual. Manual is highly profitable, and if you go to the analysis of this robot, you realize that people that are trading manual are actually making a lot of money, but this is for the experienced traders. If you are not an experienced trader, then you need to start with either automated or semi-automated. Semi-automated is also very good because they give you two options. You can just see a signal and launch, and the robot will do everything for you. That is actually what I love with that robot. And then the next thing we are talking about, we're going to talk about the subscription fee. In RoyalQ, when we talk about the subscription fee, you realize that first, before you even download an app, you need to pay subscription fee of $120 per year, and then again on top of that you have to buy uGas, which is the smallest, is $10. Now let's say you have $130 once you start trading. That means if you enroll your queue, you will not be in position to trade. You will not be in position to trade. Maybe what you can do is network marketing. And then when it comes to uTrading, when it comes to this section, I really like it in a way that it has no subscription fee. You're not going to pay for a penny to download the app. You're not going to pay a penny to start business. So that means even if you didn't have capital and you're a very good networker, you're only supposed to subscribe to get the link from a friend and then download and then start marketing the robot. But of course that's been selfish if you don't buy, if you don't activate your robot with uGas and then start trading. Yes, you need to activate of course, but I just gave you the honest review because you needed to know that. And then maybe you will go to the next step and find that with RoyalQ has only spot trading, and uTrading has both spot and futures trading. Most people don't understand this, but let me try to explain for those who don't know spot trading. Spot trading is actually you buying an only coin. When you're in spot trading, when you buy a coin, it is purely yours. It's purely yours, and that means you can only sell that coin when the price is high. That means in RoyalQ, you can only buy coins. You don't sell it to get profit. You can only buy, and the robot will sell for you in profits when the market goes up. So that means when the market crashes, you have no option of selling and then buy in profits, and that will not be there. You have to wait until that coin gets back to the previous price. That's why I say here you have to just be patient. And then when it comes to uTrading is highly flexible in a way that let's say if the market was going up, those in sports can benefit, and then those in futures will still benefit when the market is going up. When the market crashes, somebody in sports can easily switch to futures and start selling, and every time you sell, when the market drops, so instead of the robot buying, it will instead again buy and give you the profit. So that means you're going to make money in two ways. Either the market is going up or going down, you will still make money with uTrading. That's why that's what I like about this particular robot. And then the next step is one-way mode. One-way mode has no big difference with what I just explained up there. One-way mode means that in RoyalQ you only need to buy. You have no option for selling. You only need to buy. So that means you keep buying as the option goes up. I mean, in terms of getting profits, you only buy low and the robot will sell high. But then the robot will not, if we say that the market is crashing, there is no option of you buying high and sell low and then get profit. And then in the future, it has two ways. That means you can buy and then sell when the prices are up to make money. And then again, you can still sell when the prices are up, and then when they drop down, you still make a profit. That's of course futures. So there's no big difference between the spot and then spot and futures, or the one-way mode and two-way mode. You need to just understand that. And then the next step is actually much capital. Yes, we'll talk about capital. I already explained this. Like for example, you look at this. you're having $130 you want to start trading. $130 cannot do anything in the royal queue, but in uTrading you can actually start a very good account with just $130. Meanwhile, the other side, you will have just activated your robot ready to start networking maybe, and then in uTrading you will have killed the two birds with the same stone. Why? If you have $130, you can decide to buy uGas with 15 and trade with $100 and still do networking, and you'll be benefiting into it. Then the most important thing is actually this last step, which is of course the price pool. A real queue does not have what we call the price pool, and uTrading has what we call the price pool. What is the price pool? You see, these robots coming with a very good promotions. Maybe in the past years, regular had promotions, but this time here, uTrading has come with a very big promotion. So let's talk about price pool in particular. A price pool is actually given to, it's an offer given to the participants. Like for example, in uTrading, if you do your networking very well and you reach V6 in a level and V5, you're given a very big package every 3 months, whether you are trading or not trading, provided you are there to really make that money. That's why most of the people are just struggling to reach V5 and V6. I know of people in V5 and V6 that have actually left trading, they're doing their other things. Reason being, the robot is paying them, like I would call it like salary. If I am to follow the statistics of the last payment, I remember very well that V6 got about $1,260. Who can give you that money for free? It is really very, very rare. And then the guys in this side got about 160. I don't actually remember very well. But then one would ask me, where do they get that money they pay you? Do you want to make it look like a scam? No, let me explain this and you will understand. One is that every time you buy, you say you want to join uTrading, you will buy uGas, and that there's a commission that I am supposed to get as a person who invited you. So that commission, let's say if I was supposed to get 50%, I will definitely not get that 50%, but then they will deduct 10% from 50% you've given me, and that money is placed in a price pool until the day of distribution. Every day, as more people buy uGas, the 10% of the commission the person was supposed to get is placed there, and as that money accumulates after 30 days, after 90 days, that's of course 3 months, that money is distributed to V5 and V6. And I just read in the first 3 days, this guy really not really working well. And I think maybe you also need to participate in this promotion, because I understand there is a FB1, FB something that will be paying people a lot of money when it comes to trading. And I wanted to just show you something here. This is what I was trying to talk about. If you are in V5, see me, I'm in V4. If you are in V5 and V6, there's what is called a price pool, which is actually this. Like for example, this money here has gone to 50,000. Last time this money went up to about 190 something thousand, and it was distributed to people. So we have for 71 days for this money to be distributed, and I trust at this time it will go to $250,000. And just imagine if you're in this rank here, you're really going to make some good money. And this is the cycle 3. If you're not seeing, like maybe you need to think this. The first cycle, they got V6 got about 600, and then the second cycle V6 got 1,260. Who knows what will come after this? In the near future, if you're a networker, this is very good news for the networkers. In the near future, we are most likely to start earning over $5,000 every month, or even 10, because the network is increasing day and night. If you follow this robot and compare it with other robots, this robot is new and they are actually gone to over 100,000 downloads. You get